NotePlay is the only system of stackable blocks that supplements music education by providing multimodal learning. Their tactile design encourages the exploration of core concepts while reinforcing the correct order of scales. It is perfect for elementary school music teachers looking for new ways to engage and teach students music fundamentals. NotePlay's vision board aims to establish its brand style and feel. The first thing that pops out when viewing the vision board is the brand name, NotePlay. It will likely be one of the first things the target audience learns about the brand, which leaves a first impression and suggests particular brand attributes to the consumer. NotePlay is a name that encapsulates one of the product features, how each block corresponds to a note. It is also a short name whose brevity makes it easier to remember. One of the most noticeable elements in the vision board that defines NotePlay's look is its color palette. Color, or a combination of colors, is one of the key identifiers for a brand. While colors can play a functional role, such as green symbolizing vegetation, designers must think beyond that to craft a secondary meaning that uniquely pertains to a brand. By establishing a unique palette, a brand's visual identity can functionally speak to the target audience while differentiating it from competitors. The colors for NotePlay represent the playfulness present in the product name through bright, high-energy colors. The palette mainly comprises primary colors that mimic shades in the target audience's environment, their music classrooms, the subliminal message being that the product naturally fits in. The vivid colors aid in engaging students and work well together to provide a contrast that will catch attention. After color, NotePlay's line quality also helps distinguish its look. Lines create a path of visual movement while also containing mood, emotion, and the basis for texture and pattern. The vision board's background comprises wavy lines denoting freedom and rhythm. It is also reminiscent of a sound wave, which connects to the musical theme and a concept that the target audience is familiar with. Imagery is another element that encompasses the aesthetic appearance of a brand's core messaging. It includes items like photography, illustration, and icons. The power of imagery lies in how quickly it can communicate brand attributes compared to text alone. NotePlay's imagery includes a variety of illustrations that represent the product itself and its connection to music. The group of blocks on the right demonstrates the product's stackability and how the color palette provides an attention-catching contrast when stacked. Lastly, the picture on the corner delineates the type of photography, if any, one can integrate into promotion. Rather than choosing imagery that would project the frustration of struggling students, NotePlay will create a fun, engaged dynamic in the learning process. The picture also works with the tagline, orchestrating epiphanies, to describe the product's benefit, increased student understanding. The tagline introduces the last critical element present in the vision board, messaging. Brands should be like a media company, sharing the same story consistently through various expressions that create their brand narrative. Messaging is the vital way brands show how they relate to their audience. In addition to the tagline, keywords like explore, engage, and create share brand personality characteristics. These words help clarify that NotePlay is not without aim or just for entertainment. The benefit of grasping concepts is the core of the brand's communication and should not be confused through words that convey recreation. All of these elements work together to create a clear picture of how NotePlay's brand should look and feel. Name, color, line quality, imagery, and messaging help one understand what NotePlay is and is not. Furthermore, developing additional assets based on the vision board will ensure they match the brand theme so that all visual and verbal communication comes from the same brand voice.